mag-read ta ha. Ang title story kay Benny the Bunny. Kani siya may bunny. Ang pangalan niya kay Benny. Atong i-read ha. Okay. Once upon a time, on a bright and cheerful morning, Benny the Bunny woke up in his cozy burrow on the farm. The sun was shining, and the grass sparkled with tiny drops of dew. Benny stretched his little paws, twitched his pink nose, and felt excited for the day ahead. Without wasting any time, he bounced out of his burrow and went hop, hop, hop across the wide green field. So si Bunny nag-hop. Right? So next page. As he hopped past the red barn at the tall cornfield, he looked around for his friends. Iyang bitalita ang iyang friends. Where could they be? Benny wondered. Soon, he spotted Daisy the duck near the pond. Kani si Daisy. Muna siya ang duck. Ang pangalan sa duck ay si Daisy. Ikaw, Daisy. Ikaw lang, Daisy.
Very good.
The duck near the pond and Charlie the chick pecking at the ground. Ang pangalan sa chick kay si Charlie. Ikaw, Charlie. Ikaw lang, Charlie. The chick pecked at the ground. Good morning, Benny called happily. He hopped faster and joined them. Next page of that. Together, they ran around the farm, playing tag and laughing under the warm sunshine. So si Charlie, si Benny, o si Daisy, nagdula sila sa farm. After a while, Benny's stomach began to rumble. Ang stomach ni Benny kinag-rumble. I think it's time for lunch, he said with a giggle. The friends walked to the vegetable patch, where fresh carrots and leafy greens were growing. Benny picked a bright orange carrot. Si Benny kay nakuha og sa pangalan ni carrots. Correct. And began to munch, munch, munch. The crunchy sound made him smile. So si Benny, iyang i-munch, munch ang carrots. Then nalipay kaayo si Benny. Daisy nibbled on some lettuce. Ang ikuha ni Daisy kay lettuce. Lettuce. And Charlie pecked at sweet corn kernels. Si Charlie, kaya ang ikuha niya kay corn. Okay. They enjoyed their meal together beneath the shade of a big tree. Ilang gi-enjoy ang ilang meals ng tulog. No? So, when they finished eating, they heard cheerful music. Coming from the farmhouse, Benny's ears perked up. So si Benny nakadungog og music sa farmhouse. So he felt so happy that he started to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. So pagkadungog ni Benny sa farmhouse kanay music, iyang i-shake-shake ang iyang lupot. His friends laughed and danced along with him. So silang tulo nagsayaw-sayaw. Si Charlie, si Daisy, o si Bunny. Ay si Benny. So, as the sky turned orange and the stars began to twinkle above the quiet farm, so kaninga time, padulong na siya mungit-ngit. So, pag mungit-ngit ganit, yung katulog naman na, diba? Benny snuggled back into his cozy burrow with a happy heart. So, si Benny, niuli siya sa farmhouse na nalipay, kibadula sila, nagkaon sila, nagsayaw-sayaw sila, kauban ng iyang mga amiga-amigo. He closed his eyes, dreaming of more fun and laughter waiting for him tomorrow. So pagkatulog ni Benny, iya din yung gidamgo nga, naglipay-lipay sila, nagsayaw sila. Every day was an adventure. Because on that little farm, every day was an adventure when you had good friends by your side. So if dali kay mga amiga ug dagan ka friends kay taga-adto di ay makalipay, malipay di ka na kay magbula mo, magkaon mo, pusayaw mo. So, mangutan ako, kinsa katong tuluan atong animals gani si Benny, si Charlie, ug si Daisy. Kinsa man tong katong rabbit? Isa man ni siya. Si Benny. Kani, kinsa man ni siya? Kani, si Daisy. Correct. Dayon, kaning niyon, kinsa man ni niyon siya? Kaning niyon, kaning cheek. Si Charlie. Very good. So, ang moral of the story kay true happiness is found in friendship, kindness, and sharing simple moments together, making every day joyful and meaningful. So, ang tinuod daw nga kalipay kay naa sa friendship, na kay kindness, then mag-share ka og mga simple moments sa inyong mga amiga katong mga mo, magsayo-sayo mo, tula mo. Muna siya ang true happiness. Nakasabot ra ka lang? Okay.
Andi, Diyos.
Ganun ka, anak? Tama na yung stroke. Kaya wala mo na yung stroke. Tapos ang tuloy. Iba na mo. Color? Green. Ganun, so may color, color?
Pwede sa colors.
Wow, very good.